Welcome students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. So today we will discuss the exercises of chapter number 5, the working of a computer. So let's begin with exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1 blank. When we turn on the computer, we see the Windows dash screen. So when we turn on the computer, we see the Windows welcome screen. Now see in your books, this is the welcome screen. So when you turn on the computer, you see this welcome screen. Number 2, the small pictures you see on the desktop are known as icons. The small pictures which you see on the desktop, they are called icons. So you will write here icons. Do you remember what icons are? These are icons which you see on the desktop. And this thin line, this is taskbar. Now, number 3, the taskbar contains the time and date. What does the taskbar contains? Here at the bottom it contains the time and the date. Number 4, we need to dash down the computer after we have finished working. So when we done our work on the computer, we need to shut down it. I told you when we were reading the chapter the meaning of shut down. What is the meaning of shut down? To close the computer. But we will not use the word close. We will use shut. Shut down. So we will write shut in this blank. Okay. Now number 2 exercise, rearrange the given letters. Now I will show you how you can do this. Now firstly we will read all the letters POTKEST. So we have to arrange these letters and we have to make a word. So we will write D E S K desktop, T-O-P, top, desktop. Number 2, we read these letters first, O-C-N-I. So we will make I-C-O-N, icon. Number 3, R-A-B-K-A-S-T. So we will write T-A-S-K-B-A-R, taskbar. Number 4, R-E-E-N-C-S. So we'll write S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. Number 3 exercise, tick the correct option. The small pictures on the desktop are called A. Icons, B. Tiles, C. Rectangle. Just now I've told you the small pictures on the desktops are called icons. So we will take icons. Number 2, closing the computer means to shut dash the computer. I've told you just in the fill in the blanks that closing the computer means to shut down the computer, not up and on, shut down. So we will take down. Number 3, the thin bar at the bottom is called the dash, start bar, shut bar or task bar. So the thin bar is called the task bar. So we will take task bar. Number 4, the task bar contains the time and date. We have done this in the fill in the blanks that the task bar contains the time and date. So we will take date. Now next exercise is complete the blanks. Here the steps to shut down the computer is given, but there are some blanks and we have to fill those blanks to complete the steps. Step 1, move the mouse dash to start button. So we will move the mouse pointer to the to start button. Step 2, now click on the dash button. Now where we click on the start button. Step 3, click on the dash button. We click on the, after start button, we click on the shutdown button. Step 4, switch off the power button of the dash. Then switch off the power button of the monitor. Switch off the power button of the dash. Then we have to switch off the UPS. And in the last step, switch off the main power supply button. So if you have read the chapter, you might feel easier to do this exercise because these are the steps and steps are also given, but you just have to fill one blank to complete these steps. Okay? Exercise number 5. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What does shutdown mean? We all know what does shutdown mean. To close. Repeat it after me. To close. Question number 2. What are icons? What are icons? Small pictures on desktop. So we will write our answer like this. Small pictures on desktop. Question number 3. What is a desktop? You all know what is a desktop is. So we'll write the answer. First screen of the computer. Desktop is the first screen of the computer. Question number 4. What can you see on the taskbar? Again this question has come. What you see on the taskbar? Time and date. So we will write time and date. Question number 6. Draw any 2 icons of the desktop. Now here you have to draw 2 icons of the desktop. Here I have drawn Google Chrome and Adobe Reader. It is very easy to draw Google Chrome and Adobe Reader. So with this, we have completed all the exercises of our chapter number 5. We have discussed our chapter number 5 in the previous video. If you have not seen that video, kindly go to our school YouTube channel and watch that video. After that, do these exercises in your notebook. Do the work neatly. Use a dark pencil to do the work. Learn all the spellings. And do good to your parents. God bless you all.